10 months, 40 weeks, 180 days.
A lot goes into making a school year. Much more goes into making that year a success.
You have hopes, you have dreams, you have goals. You know who you want to be. Or maybe you don't, but you're eager to find out.
Whichever it is, Tilton School will give you the opportunities you need to get there.
We'll help you fill your year with the challenges, relationships, and lessons you need to be that person.
It's a time to forge your path, ignite your passions, dive into new experiences, refine your strengths, foster your creativity, take risks, become a leader. Prepare yourself for the world. Launch into your future.
The choice is yours. We have the teachers, the programs, and the activities you need to not just grow and learn, but to actively thrive. We provide the roadmap. You create the journey.
This is your year. This is your chance. This is your time. Realize the power of your potential. Are you ready for this?